1. Don't preserve tempting unhealthy foods readily available. Every person loves snacking on potato chips now and again, but it's surety's easy to get carried away when munching on these varieties of food. Before you understand it, you've eaten half of the bag and derailed your healthful eating for the day. The simple option to this problem is chorus from keeping these less healthful snack meals on hand. 2. Trade the way you take pleasure in sweets. I love dessert as much as the following girl, and food plan doesn't must imply which you can't fulfill your candy tooth. Decide on somewhat little bit of darkish chocolate rather of a bowl of ice cream to offer yourself a slight indulgence that receivers depart you feeling responsible. 3. PC. Your lunch. Having a healthful lunch that you just deliver out of your home will help you from making a meal out of what the merchandising computer has to present. 4. Add flavor to your veggies. Vegetables don't need to be flavorless. If you happen to add spices and/or sauces made from vinaigrette and different seasonings, you can make your veggies style so just right that you'll honestly need to eat them. 5. Talk with a friend. Having any person which you could speak to about your eating habits and objectives will help you keep influenced on the grounds that you'll be aware of you've obtained any individual for your corner. 6. Maintain a journal. Keeping yourself responsible is a gigantic part of sticking with, well, whatever. This surely entails altering your eating habits. Jot down notes to encourage and remind yourself why you need to be a healthier individual this year and for years to come. 7. Reward yourself whilst you meet pursuits of exercising, consuming good for 3 weeks straight, and many others. Reward yourself. Your reward must revolve round meals, both. That you could deal with yourself by way of pouring a pitcher of wine and pampering yourself with a nail clipping or new pair of workout clothes. 8. Make healthy meals and quick. We all know that when you get dwelling from work, the final thing you wish to have to do is take an hour to repair dinner, determining up pre-ready hen, and so forth. From the grocery retailer can make dinner so much rapid, and its method higher for you than deciding on up out of your favorite speedy food restaurant. 9. Indulge, but accurately, which you can nonetheless have your favorite foods on occasion. Just be wise about how you select to deal with yourself. That you could have the ice cream after dinner, simply don't actually have a pastry for breakfast, you know. 10. Sit down at a table when you eat. Having geared up ingredients at a table will keep you from getting carried away with snacking. When you're completed consuming, leave the desk. When it's time for the following meal, return to the table. You get the notion. This will definitely keep you on an agenda.